This tutorial is on how to prepare award of recommendation report. Log in to the eProject system. Then open project that is already closed tender. Go to Tendering and select Open Tender. To prepare award of recommendation report, make sure that the status of the tender is already opened. Click Tender. Here you can see the list of submitted tender. You need to select one of the contractors from the list to prepare award of recommendation report. Select from the list and click Award Recommendation. Here you can edit your report, set up or preset the tender analysis table, add attachments, and once all completed you can submit for approval. To set up or preset tender analysis, click at Tender Analysis Table. Here you can edit your original tender summary, PTE versus budget, and budget versus award. To edit original tender summary, click View. Here you need to fill in the PTE amount and budget amount. Key in the amount and click Submit. Now back to tender analysis. Next, to edit the PTE and award amount. Once you already key in the amount, click Submit. Lastly, is to edit the budget versus award amount. Then click Submit. Back to tender analysis. To view your contract sum, and status of participant submit tender, click View. Here we have the logs, to keep track who updated this award of recommendation. Back to award recommendation. To prepare report, click Edit Report. You can manually type to prepare your report. To add tender analysis table to your report, press Alias key and select which table to include in this report. Then click Save. Once saved, you can preview the award of recommendation report. You can still make changes to your report, just click Edit Report. We also have the report edit logs, to track back user who make changes to it. If you have any supporting documents to attach, go to Attachments. Click Upload. Then click Add Files and select Files. Lastly, click Start Upload. Back to award recommendation. Once you already finalize with the draft and attachments, you can submit for management approval. To set verifiers, single-click and select from the list. To add more verifiers, click at the additional icon. Verifiers approval arrangement is based on hierarchy. Then click Submit.